10 bad habits that cause throat cancer. Throat cancer refers to the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the throat region, encompassing the pharynx, larynx, and nearby structures, categorized into different types based on the specific location of the malignancy. Throat cancer commonly arises from the squamous cells lining the throat tissues. Throat cancer is a serious concern, and understanding the habits associated with its heightened risk is key to making informed choices for a healthier life. In this enlightening exploration, we'll delve into 10 habits intricately linked to an elevated risk of throat cancer. By unraveling this complex interplay, we aim to shed light on the potential development of this life-threatening condition. Early detection, lifestyle modifications, and medical interventions play crucial roles in mitigating the risk and managing throat cancer effectively. So let's get started and explore these crucial insights together. Now, let's jump into today's video. Number 1. Tobacco use. Tobacco use, particularly smoking and the consumption of smokeless tobacco, stands as the foremost culprit in escalating the risk of throat cancer. Packed with carcinogens, tobacco products wreak havoc on the delicate tissues of the throat, leading to persistent irritation and inflammation. The hazardous chemicals inhaled during smoking can directly damage the cells lining the throat, creating a fertile ground for cancerous growth. Beyond throat cancer, tobacco use is a major contributor to various cancers and respiratory diseases. The gravity of this habit cannot be overstated, making tobacco cessation a pivotal step towards reducing the risk of life-threatening conditions. Number 2. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption emerges as a significant factor, heightening the vulnerability to throat cancer. Prolonged and heavy drinking can lead to chronic irritation of the throat tissues, fostering an environment conducive to the development of cancerous cells. Alcohol's role in depleting antioxidants and compromising the immune system further exacerbates this risk. When combined with tobacco use, the danger multiplies synergistically. Responsible alcohol consumption and moderation are crucial for minimizing this risk. Understanding the correlation between excessive alcohol intake and throat cancer underscores the importance of adopting healthy lifestyle choices to safeguard against the potential devastating consequences of this habit. Number 3. Combined tobacco and alcohol use. The combination of tobacco and alcohol usage poses a formidable tandem in elevating the risk of throat cancer. Concurrent consumption intensifies the detrimental effects of each habit, creating a synergistic relationship that significantly amplifies the likelihood of cancer development. Smoking and excessive alcohol intake, when combined, create a hostile environment in the throat, increasing susceptibility to cellular mutations and malignant growth. This dual assault on the delicate tissues underscores the importance of addressing both habits concurrently for effective cancer prevention. Mitigating the risk requires a comprehensive approach, emphasizing the critical need for individuals to curtail both tobacco and alcohol usage to safeguard their throat health. Number 4. Poor oral hygiene. Neglecting oral hygiene emerges as a potential precursor to throat cancer, as poor oral care can lead to chronic irritation and inflammation. Inadequate dental practices create an environment where harmful bacteria thrive, potentially causing long-term damage to the delicate tissues of the throat. Persistent irritation may contribute to the development of cancerous cells. Regular dental checkups, proper brushing, and flossing not only maintain oral health, but also act as crucial preventive measures against throat cancer. Prioritizing oral hygiene habits serves as a fundamental step in reducing the risk of this life-threatening condition and promoting overall well-being. Number 5. HPV infection. Human papillomavirus HPV infection, particularly certain high-risk strains, significantly heightens the risk of throat cancer. HPV, a sexually transmitted infection, can affect the oropharyngeal region, including the throat. Persistent infection with high-risk HPV strains such as HPV-16 and HPV-18 can lead to cellular changes and increase the likelihood of developing cancer. While vaccinations are available to prevent HPV infections, understanding the connection between this virus and throat cancer emphasizes the importance of practicing safe sex and seeking vaccination for both males and females. Proactive measures against HPV contribute to reducing the risk of throat cancer. Number 6. A poor diet. A poor diet, particularly one deficient in fruits and vegetables, is implicated in the heightened risk of throat cancer. Inadequate intake of these nutritional powerhouses denies the body essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants crucial for immune system strength and cellular repair. Fruits and vegetables contain compounds that protect against cancer development, making their scarcity in the diet a concerning factor. A balanced, plant-rich diet not only supports overall health, but also acts as a formidable defense against throat cancer. Cultivating dietary habits that prioritize these essential food groups is pivotal in mitigating the risk associated with inadequate nutrition. Number 7. Chronic gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD). Chronic gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD) contributes to an increased risk of throat cancer. Persistent acid reflux, where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, can lead to chronic irritation and inflammation of the throat tissues. Over time, this irritation may promote the development of cancerous cells. Individuals experiencing frequent heartburn and acid reflux should seek medical attention to manage GERD effectively. Lifestyle changes, dietary modifications, and medical interventions can help alleviate symptoms, reducing the risk of chronic irritation and its potential consequences, including an elevated risk of throat cancer. Addressing GERD is crucial in safeguarding throat health. Number 8. Occupational exposures. Certain occupational exposures are linked to an increased risk of throat cancer. Workers exposed to hazardous substances such as asbestos, certain chemicals, and industrial pollutants may face elevated risks. Prolonged contact with these carcinogenic agents can lead to chronic irritation and damage to the throat tissues, potentially initiating the development of cancerous cells. Occupational safety measures, protective equipment, and regular health screenings are vital in minimizing these risks. Awareness of workplace hazards and adherence to safety protocols are crucial for individuals in high-risk occupations, emphasizing the importance of proactive measures to mitigate the potential dangers associated with specific workplace exposures. Number 9. Chewing betel quid. Chewing betel quid, a common practice in some cultures, is associated with an elevated risk of throat cancer. Betel quid often contains areca nut, slake lime, and sometimes tobacco. The combined effects of these substances can lead to chronic irritation and inflammation of the throat tissues, creating an environment conducive to the development of cancerous cells. The carcinogenic compounds present in betel quid contribute to the heightened risk. Public health efforts to raise awareness about the risks associated with betel quid consumption are crucial, emphasizing the need for individuals to reconsider this habit to protect their throat health and overall well-being. Number 10. Low fruit and vegetable intake. A low intake of fruits and vegetables is associated with an increased risk of throat cancer. These nutrient-rich foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support a healthy immune system and help protect against cellular damage. A diet lacking in these protective elements may fail to provide the necessary defenses against the development of cancerous cells in the throat. The importance of a well-balanced diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, cannot be overstated in promoting overall health and reducing the risk of various cancers, including those affecting the throat. Prioritizing a diverse and nutritious diet is pivotal for long-term well-being. Summary. In this video, we've delved into the realm of throat cancer, recognizing it as a formidable health concern influenced by a myriad of factors tied to lifestyle choices and environmental exposures. Understanding the habits contributing to an increased risk of throat cancer is pivotal for fostering awareness and encouraging preventive measures. Our journey uncovered 10 habits intricately linked to heightened susceptibility, shedding light on the complex interplay between personal choices and the potential development of this life-threatening condition. Throat cancer, characterized by the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the throat region, poses a significant health challenge. Categorized into various types based on location, it commonly arises from squamous cells lining the throat tissues. Factors influencing its development include tobacco and alcohol use, HPV infection, poor oral hygiene, dietary choices, and occupational exposures. The key takeaway is the importance of early detection, lifestyle modifications, and medical interventions in mitigating the risk and effectively managing throat cancer. Through knowledge, awareness, and proactive measures, we empower ourselves to navigate the intricate connections between our daily habits and throat health, paving the way toward a healthier and thriving future. Remember, your health is a precious asset, and by staying informed and proactive, you take a crucial step towards safeguarding it. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more content that empowers and informs. Thank you for joining us on this journey of awareness and education. Together, let's prioritize our well-being and build a healthier future. Until next time, take care, stay informed, and be well.